To upload assets, log into NOEO as an administrator or editor. Switch to the content area. Click New Bulk Upload. Select one or more files from your hard disk. During the upload, you can already customize the category, change the name, or adjust the release settings. Once the upload is complete, click Continue to paste the assets into the archive. The last imported files are displayed in the archive and are available to your colleagues for further processing.